Hello again, folks. Welcome back. Thanks for joining me. Today I thought I would do the second part of making some wires to pick this 2-lever Yale mortice lock, which was kindly sent to me by Brummie lock picker, so I could learn. We've got some kebab skewers, so we need one of those. We'll get rid of those other ones there, and same again applies. We've got this horrible sharp pointy bit on there, so we need to take that off before we do anything. Okay, headphone warning. If you're on headphones, please turn them off now or turn your volume down. I'm about to do some filing. Okay, so we're just going to take this point off here. Like so. That's that. And then all we need to do is put a bend in. So for this bend, you basically just need your wire to be roughly the same size as your key blade, because you're going to pivot here. So we go from here to here, mark it roughly by eye, about there, and pop that in the vise, ready for a bend. There we go. Now, last time we bent with the hoop facing the way we was going to bend. This time I'm going to bend it with the other way. Where's my trusty hammer? Okay, so we're going to do a bit of banging. Like so. And then check our angles. Oops, sorry. That seems okay to me. So now the next bit is I'm just going to put a flat side on there and there, same way as it did with his tensioner. You see, just so it doesn't roll about off the levers inside. So now you can do this with a file again. Just pop this in the vise. Just to give it a bit of an edge, you can do it like this. And slowly bringing it a bit flatter. Epoxy focus. So just to speed things up a little bit, we'll pop this machine on a second, bear with me. That's that. There we go. I just speed things up a little bit. Let's see if we can get it to behave itself. Come on. You can kind of see I flattened it off a bit there, and there we go. Yeah. So just put that's still hot. Yeah, be careful when you're doing this, you might burn yourself. So that's that really. So we'll see if it'll work. I'll leave a link in the description to my last video where I made this tensioner if you missed it, if you want to go back, so they're both together. So, oh sorry, there we have the key working. Let's see. Okay, so we'll pop the tensioner in and we'll try and grab a bolt at the back of the lock. When the bolt's on the left, it's at the back. And we've got hold of that. And then we'll get our... Oh, do you know what? You can put a different handle on here. I'm just going to use it this long because it's already got this kind of a handle there. You can bend it over and round again if you want to. Like this sort of thing. It's entirely up to you. But I don't think I see any need at this point. So I'm going to tension clockwise to put tension on the bolt. There you go. Just like that. We've got that. There we go. So that clearly works. Just bear with me a second and we'll have a look inside. Again, there's not a lot to this one. It is a good training lock. It was sent to me by the legendary Brummie herself. And if you bear with me, there we go. Just that one screw. We'll take the cover off. Cover just lifts off. So here's our first lever. No false gates or anything. Pop that out. And there's our second lever. And there what we're lifting. Put those there. So yeah, like I say, as you oh sorry, I've come out of shot. As your tensioner, move the bolt over. Sorry. Yeah, you put your tensioner in there and you get a hold of a bolt there, and then that's what you throw in the bolt like that. And while you're doing that, you've got this little wire in there lifting your levers, you see. So that's it. I hope you enjoy that. Whether the bombs are falling or you just want a little bit of fun with something you got lying around the house for lock sport, then I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, please like and subscribe. And just bear with me a second. Yeah, sorry. While I'm here, I just want to say a huge thank you to my buddy Lock Junkie for sending me these stickers, which arrived in the post yesterday. Thanks ever so much for them, my friend. And also, a poker chip of a collection. Ooh, you can look at it, but it's mine. So, thank you very much for that. So, Lock Junkie, I have been talking to him about lever locks and whatnot, so I'm going to put this lock back together. And when I've finished picking this Roy Salmon's Challenge lock, I'm going to put this lock and these wire tensioners and pick and a couple of extra barbecue skewers so you can have a go. And this will be your confidence building pack from me. And alongside that, I'll send you something else, a training aid with another sort of wire. You need a different wire for these. I'll go on about these with you, but if you've got an Era Fortress, you're going to want to practice with this. So yeah, this works on a cam. You see, this is what they mean by piped. So you need this shaped wire to pick round that cam and get these 5, and they're going to have false gates in like this and everything else. So we'll start you off on the 2 lever and we'll see how we can get you on your journey, brother. Go and check out Lock Junkie. He's a diamond. And yeah, that's it for now, folks. Till next time, take care. Bye for now.